にちは皆さん、お元気ですか? Hello, how are you? Today, Kanji video number 45 of JLPT N4. This kanji means the death, and we pronounce shi. At first, the stroke order. Red line from here, going like this, a little bit going up. And now this black line. 1, and blue one, 2, and green one. This is like ta from katakana, but this one is longer. And now this right part it's like hi from katakana ha hi fuheho. 1, this red one, and 2 like this, and jump. Shi is the noun, the death, and the verb to die. There are many ways to say, but shinimasu, the first one, shinimasu, this is the direct way to say to die. More polite way is nakunarimasu, to pass away. Takai shimasu, this is also like to pass away, but literary meaning is to go to the other world. Other verb to say to die. Shibou shimasu. This is used more officially, for example, on TV news. Death certificate. 死亡証明書 mortality rate or the death rate 死亡率 mortality rate is high 死亡率が高い death rate is low 死亡率が低い dead person or diseased. With this 死亡者 because 者 this means person. This word deceased we can say shorter way with that ぼ it means 死者 and the meaning is the same 死者 death toll or the number of deaths 死者数 or 死亡者数 this 数 this means numbers like 数字 numbers. We can also say 数 this means numbers, so numbers of dead persons 死者数 There's other way to say dead person. This is 死人 死者 this is also dead person, but 死人 this is also dead person. We use this word 死人 a dead person in a saying ことわざsaying dead men tell no tales. We say it in Japanese 死人に口なし 口 this means the mouth なし there isn't, so dead person doesn't have any mouth. Adding this kanji of 体 this is body, and here we pronounce 体 死体 dead body. Do you remember this structure? 場所 place に something があります or place に someone がいます It means there's something or someone in this place. There are people here. ここに人がいます。ここに人がいます。Do you remember that we use います for persons and for animals and who are alive? But when I want to say, there's a dead body here. In this case, we don't 死体 dead body. In this case, we don't treat 死体 as a person, but as a thing. So we are not going to use with います but with あります。ここに死体があります。ここに死体があります。This word 原因 this means the reason, the cause. Then this kind of today 死 the death, and in we use the same one 死因 this means the cause of death. This word 病気 this means sickness, illness. Now using the same kanji here 病気病院 hospital. Now other word using the same kanji, 病. And here, 病室. You know, 室, this is like a room. So, 病室, the hospital room, the patient's bedroom. 病室. Then now we're going to use the kanji of today, 死. 病死. This means the death from sickness. And we can change this to the verb, adding します. 病死します. To die from sickness. Accident is 事故. And then 事故死. This is accident death. Sudden death. There are two ways to say it. 急死. This means like 急に, all of a sudden. And also 突然死. 突然, this means the same, all of a sudden. So we can say both ways. 急死 or 突然死. Sudden death. Instant death. 即死. This kanji of 即 means instant, right away. Death caused by overwork. 過労死. I think also in English you say 過労死, this Japanese word. The literary meaning, か, this is 過ぎます. To go over or to go more than the limit. And 労, this is from the labor, the work. And death, so the death caused by too much work. Euthanasia, doctor-assisted suicide. 安楽死. Kanji meaning, 安 comes from 安心. This means to feel released. 楽, this kanji means it's easy and relaxed. Death sentence, death penalty. 死刑. Kanji meaning of this 刑, this means punishment. I want you to know this kanji. 角, this means angle. So 三角, this means triangle. And 四角, this is quadrilateral or also square. Now knowing this is angle, 角, then we're going to use the same kanji here, 角, but with this kanji of 死, the death. But this 四角 and 四角, we pronounce and exactly the same. This 四角 means a dead angle or the blind spot. And there's other word that we pronounce and intone exactly the same. 四角. And this 四角 means qualification, certification, or license. So if I say just 四角, this can be three different things. You know, this kanji go, this means language. For example, Nihongo, Japanese language. Spaingo, Spanish language. Eigo, English language. Now we add this kanji of death, 死 and 死後. 死後 has got two meanings. 一番目, the extinct language that people used many years ago. 二番目, an obsolete word or outdated words. There's other word that the pronunciation and intonation is exactly the same. 死後. The difference, this kanji here, go, this means after. So 死後, in this case, after one's death. Eternal youth and immortality. 不老不死. Kanji meaning, this 不, it means opposite. And 老, 老人, old people. So 不老, it means you don't get old. And 不死, you don't die. An adverb, desperately, all out, like hell, like crazy, even if it kills me, whatever it takes. 死ぬ気で、死ぬ気で。Do your hardest like hell. 死ぬ気で頑張って。死ぬ気で頑張れ。な adjective. Desperate, frantic. 必死を必死な。漢字 meaning. Here hit. This is from 必ず。Surely. and 死ぬ。So, surely you're gonna die. Desperately, frantically. This is an adverb. 必死に。Life and death. 生死。This 漢字 of 生、生まれます。To be born, to get born. 死、to die. He is hovering between life and death. The verb to wander around, to wander about. さまよいます。And if he's not wandering around, さまよっています。彼は生死をさまよっています。彼は生死をさまよっています。This is the matter of life and death. To interact with someone or to be involved with someone, then someone と関わります。To be involved in something, something に関わります。We use relative clause in this sentence, so it's a little bit difficult. これは生死に関わります。関わる。これは生死に関わる問題です。これは生死に関わる問題です。Here we used 問題 as issue, problems, matter. Now a quiz time with 3 translations into Japanese, always using this kanji 死 the death. 1番目 I tried my hardest like hell, but I couldn't win the competition. Competition 試合試合 The verb to win 勝ちます to win. So to win the competition 試合に勝ちます Be careful. Here I couldn't win. So this is potential verb. 2番目 The number of deaths from the earthquake was 14. The earthquake 地震地震3番目最後です My father died of illness when he was 39. Today you've learned a lot of vocabularies using this kanji 死 the death. If you liked this video, please don't forget to give me like. And if you can share my videos with your friends, you will help me a lot. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do it so that you can learn Japanese with me like this. いかがでしたか？今日はこの漢字死、これを使ってたくさんの語彙を勉強しましたよね。この言葉死はとても悲しい言葉ですから、なんかこのビデオを作るのどうしようかなと思ってたけど、でもこの漢字は勉強しなければなりません。それに実際この漢字を使った熟語、本当にたくさんありますよね。たとえあまり使いたくない言葉でもやっぱり知っている方がいいです。ですから思いつく限りの言葉を探してこのビデオを作りました。このビデオが良かったなと思ってくださったら、ぜひいいねボタンとチャンネル登録忘れないでお願いいたします。このように私のチャンネルでは日本語をいろいろな角度から説明しています。でも文法だけじゃなくて、例えば今回のように漢字とか他の文化、例えばアニメとか空手とか他の日本の習慣、そういうことも説明しています。少しでも皆さんの日本語の勉強のために役に立ってくれたらいいなと思って頑張って作っています。ですから応援してくだされば本当に嬉しいです。私の動画、私のチャンネルをお友達にぜひ紹介してくださいね。ではまた次の動画でお会いできるのを とても楽しみにしています。絶対に来てくださいね。じゃあね、またね。